Hey, welcome back to D-Loney V8 Motorsports. A lot of people talk about bringing in the next generation of racers. Tim over here has done it. He's got his son Jordan. Jordan, up till a couple months ago, has only done the import thing, some pretty fast imports. Never below 10.0, probably not, because that would be illegal. Anyway, so he raced some pretty fast imports, but Tim put him in the seat of this Nova. This is the family Nova. This is his dad's car. They've had this car around here for years. It came from Florida, had a small block. It had a small block with a Pro Charger. Tim put a turbocharger in it, had a motor built by Tabor's.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
And the thing's hauls, right? Runs deep into the eights, let's say it that way. So Tim put Jordan in this thing a couple weeks ago to get licensed. He's licensed.
Yeah.
What's it like?
Feels good. Rear wheel drive's a different experience from front wheel. Yeah.
Car's stable. This thing's on radials. He hasn't had to steer it much. Yet, but he did throw the chute at almost 160 miles an hour on this last pass, which by now you probably saw.
Which was his first 8-second pass ever. That's a pretty big milestone.
Yep, right into the mid-8s, we'll call it.
870.
High 8s.
Yeah.
So.
There's car, fast car. He's dialed it in, straight as narrow every pass.
Yep. I signed off on his license. I watched all of his runs. This thing went straight as an arrow. He did it just right. And I was really proud of him. He had to pull the chute on the last 2 passes, and he pulled it right away. So no delay on the chute, which is smart. It's a fast car. It's a steel car. It's not light. So he's not light. So yeah, good job. This is cool. And again, next generation, Tim's making it happen. Yep.